Most of the people have been watching Doraemon in their childhood. Those people has been watching Doraemon in their childhood. They must see Doraemon has a huge pocket. Doraemon has two pockets. One she was take in the drawer and one was in the outer. And Doraemon has a gadget. In this pocket, Doraemon has a gadget that by using this gadget, Doraemon, Nobita, Jurin, Xian, Sunio, I forget the name. They all can do time traveling. Yeah, they all can do time traveling. But the thing is that I would like to tell you, in childhood, lots of people wish that if I had a time travel machine, that I can turn my age limit lower than this, right? Lower than the present, because we all want to stay like a newborn baby or like a young girl. Yeah, but somehow you can be little or tinier than your twin, because you are your same age like your classmates, friends, etc. So this is called the theory of the twin paradox, which has been inspired and which has been invented by Albert Einstein. Okay, so hello everyone, this is Siddique once again before you. I hope you all was doing well. I'm also okay, and today I'm back here with the fantastic topic. Where is my D? Oh, sorry, I remove it. This is called the theory of twin paradox, the twin paradox, and this is a theory which has been invented by Sir Albert Einstein. Here I have been written speed by moving equal to slower time. I don't know how much it is possible for you to watch it. This is called speed by moving equal to slower time, and here I have been draw a diagram. I will explaining. Okay, let me get on the point. Suppose you have a twin. If you don't have a twin, just suppose you have a twin, and at your 10th birthday you are just going celebrate this with totally bomb blasting celebrating. Then after you are studying in the earth, and your siblings or your twin siblings is just having a space flight with a spacecraft like a rocket. She got her dress, each and every spacesuit, each and everything, and she's just moving with the rocket in the space. After she returned, you turned 13. That means she was in Earth's count, she was in 13 years old. Yeah. Or she also have to grow with the same velocity, same thing, but no, that's not. She genuinely we thought that like our age, like the age, the old, you have been turned up. The age, the old, you have been turned up, and your twin, those who was passing in the outer space with a rocket, she will also turned up at the same. Do you think that's so? No, she won't turn up as you turned up, grow older. You will be grow older by staying Earth, but your twin sisters, twin siblings, those who are in this space and passing with a rocket, she won't turn and her age won't be that much grown. Why? With this time, with this idea, this is called twin paradox, that if you are gonna stay Earth and your one sister or one twin sister is gonna moving around with a space in space with a rocket, she won't turn her age that much, that you have been grown older and she will be still a young girl. This is the truth, because we know that our biological system is gonna turn up abnormally, and also it's having a normal our main energy source is sun. We all know that, but there's something difference also between. There's a huge difference there, but I would like to say that. And right now the question came, why this happened, and I would like to tell you this. the velocity of Earth, we know that. Yeah, each and every year, each and every second, Earth is moving with a velocity, and that's why we're gonna count a year. After completing a rotation, a full rotation around the Earth, we called a year. Yeah, this is not a light year, but this is a year. This is a year which is called sun year. Sun year, it actually that means we're gonna count it within the sun, around the one total full circle of sun. Yeah, but if I'm gonna telling you about the rocket doesn't ride around, and rocket doesn't turn around or move like this. Rocket has its own velocity, and also the velocity of rocket is not a constant. The velocity of Earth is a constant, but the velocity of rocket is not a constant. And also like this, if we all know that each and everything is relative. With the theory of relativity, we all know that each and everything is relative. But if I'm gonna tell you that where this is the Earth count, like we're gonna staying here, and also it's just coming here from there, that means it's Earth. If we're gonna count it, this Earth, without the considering the sun, this Earth, so it will be a normal statistic which is still here. So that doesn't mean Earth is a fixed position. Yeah, but Earth, we all know that. I again repeat, Earth isn't a fixed position. We consider it as a fixed position. And also, if when just for this rocket, yeah, here I'm not good at drawing, but let me try. Yeah, let me try a little bit. How much? Oh, it's heavy. Okay. Yeah. It's a rocket. Suppose this as a rocket. I don't know how does it look like, but it should be a rocket. It should be a rocket like fire. Yeah. I again repeat, I'm sorry, I'm not good at drawing. Yeah. This rocket velocity is not a constant. At first this is actually, and if we suppose that as a fixed position, this is just going by this. This is going by this per day, it's moving, and also it's coming back to here. So if we say that there can be a little huge empty place, but there's no empty place because it's moving like this. How can I say, like, if I wanna say this still position, it's moving, it's just turning around like this, and fix a position like this, but it doesn't fix this position like this. Like, if I'm gonna tell you, there can be a really maze of like a pyramid which is gonna empty for its velocity, but no, it's not like this. Like, it's coming from here, it's just gonna moving around like this, and coming still the same process, still the not with this. It's gonna just protest like this, like a moving around. So that's why the twin paradoxes happen. And basically the thing I would like to tell you, the age doesn't compare with it, because the its velocity is lower than the Earth, and also the light year of this rocket is totally too much low than Earth, too much lower than the Earth. So that's why those person who was in this rocket, her age became younger. She was still younger, and those sister who was in this Earth, she got older, cause its velocity, its time year was too faster than this, and also the rocket velocity wasn't that much faster. So that's why I have been wrote it, speed by moving equal to slower time. Yeah, here you can see Hey, there's a graph, it's light year, it's 8 light years, it's 8 light years, it's Earth year, it's Earth, it's the time year of Earth that we count. It's actually in the Earth, the year we count, it's actually a sun year, and it's called the light year. The light year it faces, that wasn't too much, but that wasn't too much about for this rocket. But the light year, the twin sister who was from on the Earth, she faced it too much. So that's why it's called twin paradox. Twin paradox, like, but if I'm gonna tell you, technically it's not a paradox. Technically it's not a paradox, but theoretically it's a paradox. Actually, the basic or the normal thing, that's all is about 2 light years. That all is interconnected with light years. And I would like to tell you with this topic, with this thing, that this light years, that while one was moving around within the rocket over the year, over or around the Earth, over the space, over the universe, the rocket's velocity can be bigger than this, and the light year rocket has to pass, it's gonna count with it. The age or the time period is gonna count with the light year, but it doesn't count with this. So that's why the Earth is a fixed position and still just moving, and it's gonna moving like this, because at first it went there, a rocket went there, then it's chose to come back, and also there's a linear ray like this, Okay, so that's the main theme, main theory. Actually, there's a theory, and this video is all about theory. I will try in the part 2 of this twin paradox, I will try to explaining some mathematical theories. Thanks for watching. I hope you like it. If you have any kind of worries about this twin paradox, just comment down below. I will try to answer them. Thanks for watching, and there's still a reminder. I'm just 15 years old, a normal girl from Bangladesh. I'm still learning. Yeah, I'm still learning. I learn physics, chemistry, math, biology, Bangla, English, chemistry, etc. A huge thing. And the thing I have interested most in all about STEM field, science, technology, engineering, mathematics, and that's why I'm gonna explaining this, because I know it and learned it by reading books, and also doing classes. So that's why I'm explaining. And if I do any kind of mistakes, please pardon my mistakes, and if you find it out, please comment down below, because if you just gonna correct me, I will know, feel hesitated, because we know man can do any kind of mistakes. Yeah, it's totally true, mistakes happen by human. I'm not a robot, I'm not an alien. Okay, thanks for watching. Okay, I hope you like it. If you like it, please share it with someone. And if you are interested about astronomy, or if you didn't get any kind of platform, and if you don't want to miss like this kind of interesting theory, which is like twin paradox or theory of relativity, it is a common thing, theory of twin paradox, theory of relativity, astrophysics, aerospace, all about science, especially physics, mathematics, chemistry, you can join in our universal astronomical community. In this community, we just didn't and talk about the astronomy, we always talk about a huge number of things that is gonna considering us, and also this is gonna help us to build our career. And also this is a really very greatest resume passion project that I have been built. So I'm the founder of it. Thanks for watching. If you have any kind of queries about universal astronomical community or the twin paradox, comment down below. I will really totally promise I will answer them. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.